Welcome to the Team Visionaries channel. My name is Diana. If you've got your 5 Series GT model from 10 years back, don't even think about selling it. Give it a makeover and you've got a brand new 5 Series GT model with M5 attributes. After my upgrade, this 10 years old 5 Series GT is ready to roll for another decade. My neighbor's M5 looks super cool and I'm quite fond of it, but given my budget constraints, I've decided to upgrade my 5 Series GT with some M5 elements. After a long week of waiting, let's check it out together. Firstly, this car already boasts a sleek coupe design, and when you add hatchback tailgate with frameless doors, it exudes a visual sense of luxury from its overall appearance. So this time around, I only upgraded the front end. The blackened grille of the M5 is incredibly imposing, and the fenders and hoods are inspired by the M5 style, which was the must-have. What I love the most about this upgrade is the headlight. I believe the headlight is the finishing touch on a car, and swapping out the dated ones for this blue eyebrow LED really elevates the look. That touch of blue LED lighting adds a lot of distinctive and mystery vibes, like you're cutting through the fog and darkness. You can also opt for white LED lights if you prefer. The GT model itself caters all kinds of needs, from business and family use to long-distance travel. And with my 5 Series GT featuring the short wheelbase chassis from 7 Series, it blends sedan comfort with sleek lines of a coupe, maintaining poised yet lively appearance. Especially after my upgrades, it now boasts some added sporty attributes inspired by M5. As for the GT model with 3.0 T8 AT gearbox, the mid to late range power is given a lot of confidence for overtaking. In short, it's got plenty horsepower and torque. In my opinion, the 5 Series GT is a versatile vehicle that combines the stability of sedan's low center of gravity, the spaciousness hatchback, and the aerodynamics of a coupe. It's highly practical, enduringly stylish, and comes with a lot of features like keyless entry, push-button start, power-adjustable seats for both passenger and driver, reverse camera, and more. Now, with the front end upgraded to include some M5 elements, the whole car looks sportier. I believe this car will stay with me for another 10 years without having any issues. If you also appreciate this kind of transformation, subscribe to our channel. Elevate your drive, define your style.